So yet another withdrawal to do out of this amazing passive income. I'm withdrawing $527 this time. Going to receive into our crypto wallet 521. And I want to show you, before I click that withdraw button, some payments that have gone through already. These are all visible on the blockchain, so the blockchain doesn't lie. So they go into our crypto wallet. So there's a payment there of $394, another one for $444, $331, $363, $433, $515. The list goes on. And what I want to say is that I haven't made a video for all of these because I think it would get pretty boring. But I just wanted to show you I'm still working with this trading robot, this passive income that's pumping out money for me on a weekly basis. It pumps out money every day. I do a withdrawal around 3 times a week, and this is one of them. So let me click the withdraw button. So let's put this payment into the calculator, 527. And I'll click the plus sign because I'm now going to go over to my wife's account and withdraw out of there as well. So with this account, I'm going to be withdrawing $366. Going to receive into our crypto wallet $361. And again, before I click the withdraw button, below this, you will see withdrawals that I've done. Some of these are in videos, previous videos that you can find on this channel. But I've not made videos for all of these. But look, $315. Another one, $365. $263. $287. $336. $286. $309. I mean, the list just goes on. And again, these are all can be checked on the blockchain. They're all visible on the blockchain. The blockchain doesn't lie, and it goes directly to our crypto wallet. So let me click the withdraw button. So let's add this amount that I've withdrawn here because this is pending. I normally get them within the first 24 hours, but they can take up to 48 hours. But I don't normally have to wait that long. They normally come, as I say, within a few hours, really. So I've got the plus sign already there, and I'm just going to pop in 366, equals that up. So today's withdrawal is $893, just over. How cool is that? An absolutely mind-blowing, amazing, simple to use, easy to get set up, passive income. I can't tell you how happy I am with this system. It's just mind-blowing. It really is. I'm so grateful that I've got involved in this. Now, if you're interested in finding out how to turn crypto volatility into a passive income using automation and AI, I've put together a blueprint for you. You can have it completely free. You'll find the link for it below this video. Click that link, take you over to this page where you can grab a free copy of how I am doing a passive income, taking advantage of crypto volatility using automation and AI. You have a great day. Click the link if you're interested to find out what I'm doing. You have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Bye now.